Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Please support our videos so we can continue to provide more content. Thanks. In Part 2, we'll explore advanced maintenance techniques to ensure your Yaris stays in peak condition. Let's get started. Advanced maintenance for Toyota Yaris 2024. Maintaining your Toyota Yaris 2024 goes beyond just regular oil changes and tire rotations. Advanced maintenance ensures your vehicle performs at its best and avoids costly repairs. Here are some key areas to focus on. Transmission care. The transmission in your Toyota Yaris 2024 is a critical component that needs proper care to function smoothly. Here's how to maintain it. Regular inspections. Check your transmission fluid every 30,000 miles. The fluid should be pinkish or red. If it's dark or has a burnt smell, it's time for a change. Fluid replacement. Replace the transmission fluid every 60,000 miles to prevent wear and tear. Use the manufacturer's recommended fluid type for best results. Signs of transmission issues include slipping gears. If your Yaris unexpectedly changes gears, this could indicate a transmission problem. Delayed shifting. If there's a delay when you shift from park to drive or reverse, the transmission might need attention. Unusual noises. Sounds like whining, clunking, or buzzing when the car is in neutral can signal transmission trouble. If you notice any of these signs, seek professional help immediately. Ignoring transmission problems can lead to severe damage and expensive repairs. Regular maintenance can help you avoid these issues and ensure smooth driving. Suspension and steering. Maintaining the suspension and steering systems is vital for a comfortable and safe ride. Here's how you can keep these systems in top shape. Visual inspections. Regularly check the suspension components for wear or damage. Look at the shocks, struts, and springs for any signs of leaks or wear. Steering system check. Ensure the steering is responsive. If you notice it becoming hard to turn or feeling loose, it's time for a checkup. Common signs of wear in the suspension and steering systems include uneven tire wear. This can indicate problems with your suspension. If the tires wear unevenly, it might be time to align the wheels. Pulling to one side. If your Yaris pulls to one side while driving, the alignment might be off, or there could be an issue with the suspension. Bouncing or swaying. Excessive bouncing after hitting a bump suggests worn shocks or struts. Regularly inspecting and maintaining the suspension and steering systems ensures your Toyota Yaris 2024 handles well and provides a smooth, safe ride. If you notice any of the above issues, get your car checked by a professional to prevent further problems. Keeping up with advanced maintenance is crucial for your Yaris 2024's performance and longevity. Transmission, suspension, and steering care are vital aspects you shouldn't overlook. Regular inspections and timely repairs will keep your vehicle running smoothly and safely. Maintenance versus professional service. Taking care of your Toyota Yaris 2024 involves regular upkeep. However, knowing when to handle tasks yourself and when to seek professional help can save you time, money, and potential headaches. When to do it yourself. Some maintenance tasks are simple enough to tackle at home. Here are a few you can confidently do yourself. Oil changes. Changing the oil is essential for engine health. Warm up the car, drain the old oil, replace the oil filter, and add new oil. Air filter replacement. Both engine and cabin air filters can be replaced at home. It usually involves opening a cover, removing the old filter, and inserting the new one. Tire pressure check and rotation. Keeping your tires properly inflated enhances safety and fuel efficiency. You can also rotate your tires to ensure even wear. Battery maintenance. Check for corrosion on battery terminals and clean them using a mixture of baking soda and water. Ensure the battery holds a charge by testing it monthly. Windshield wiper replacement. Worn wipers can damage your windshield and reduce visibility. Swapping them out is easy and requires no tools. These tasks are straightforward and can be done with basic tools. Save some cash and time by handling these small jobs yourself. When to seek professional help. While some tasks are manageable at home, others are best left to professionals. Here are a few scenarios where you should get professional service. Brake repairs. Your brake system is critical for safety. Issues like squeaky brakes, vibrations, or a spongy pedal need professional attention. Brake pads, rotors, and fluid should be serviced by experts. Transmission work. The transmission ensures your car shifts smoothly. If you notice slipping gears, delayed shifts, or unusual noises, consult a mechanic. Transmission work is complex and requires specialized skills. Engine diagnostics. Modern cars, including the Yaris 2024, have intricate engine systems. If your check engine light comes on or you experience performance issues, it's time for a professional diagnostic and repair. Suspension and steering repairs. Handling issues like pulling to one side, uneven tire wear, or excessive bouncing over bumps should be checked by a professional. Suspension and steering systems are vital for safety and comfort. Electrical system repairs. Issues with lights, power windows, or other electronic components often need professional diagnostics. These systems can be intricate and challenging to fix without the right expertise. Turning to professionals for these tasks ensures they're done correctly, keeping your Yaris safe and running smoothly. Don't take risks with complex repairs, leave them to the experts. Keeping records of your maintenance. Keeping good records of all the maintenance done on your Toyota Yaris 2024 is more important than you might think. It's not just about jotting down the details, it's about creating a detailed history of your car's care that can save you time, money, and headaches. Let's dig into why this matters and how to do it right. Importance of maintenance records. Why is it crucial to keep detailed records of all maintenance work done on your vehicle? For starters, it helps you keep track of what's been done and what needs to be done. Here are some key reasons. Resale value. When it's time to sell your Yaris, having a complete log of maintenance can increase its value. Buyers feel more confident knowing the car has been well maintained. Warranty compliance. If you have a warranty, following the recommended maintenance schedule is often required. Records prove you've complied with these terms, so you're covered if something goes wrong. Accurate repairs. If you ever need repair work, providing a complete maintenance history helps mechanics diagnose issues more accurately, potentially saving you from unnecessary labor and parts costs. Preventative care. Knowing what's been done helps you stay on top of preventative maintenance. Regularly scheduled upkeep prevents bigger, more costly problems down the road. In essence, keeping your maintenance records is like having a medical history for your car. It allows for more precise care and peace of mind. How to organize your records. Now that you know why it's important, let's talk about how to organize and store these records for easy reference. Here's a step-by-step guide. Create a maintenance log. Start a dedicated notebook or digital file where you detail every service. Include dates, mileage at the time of service, and a brief description of the work done. Use a filing system. Keep physical copies of receipts, invoices, and service reports in a labeled folder. You can organize these by date or type of service, e.g., oil changes, brake work. Digital backup. Consider scanning your paper records and saving them in a cloud-based storage system. This ensures you have a backup if physical copies are lost or damaged. Maintenance apps. There are several mobile apps designed to help you keep track of car maintenance. These apps often allow you to set reminders for upcoming services and can provide summaries of past work. Service stickers and tags. Look for service shops that provide stickers or tags for reference. These can be placed on your windshield or under the hood, reminding you when the next service is due. Taking a bit of time to organize your records now can save you a lot of stress later. An organized system makes it easy to find past records, track future needs, and provide proof of maintenance when necessary. Keeping diligent records may seem tedious, but the benefits far outweigh the effort. From improving resale value to ensuring proper care and accurate repairs, a well-documented maintenance history is invaluable for your Toyota Yaris 2024. Stay organized, and you'll be rewarded with a smoother, more reliable driving experience. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.